up, guys? Welcome to a video. Welcome to another video. I'm a little tired because it's early in the morning. Roblox crashed. Well, it didn't really, but it crashed yesterday for a few hours. I saw Creech live. Yep. Shout out to Creech. Go subscribe to him. He's a cool YouTuber. Yep. And especially go subscribe to Spooky. And also sorry to the person that commented Darius, because Devin actually quit YouTube now, so yep. So there's no point in doing that, because Devin didn't care. He has a video ready, but he doesn't want to upload it. So yeah. That sucks. Okay, so today we're going to be reviewing some Lego sets. So we should start off, we might do a part 2. It depends. It really depends how I'm feeling. I might just do all of it. Okay, so dang. Having an inconvenience, guys. Wait a second. Popped off. Ah, dang it. Like, what's it? Dang it. At least I know where it goes. Crap. I think it goes right there. If not, you guys can just correct me in the comments. The control glitch thing fell out. Okay. We're all good. Crap. Okay. So we have, I just got the J plane yesterday. It's the small one. And next up, that might be in part 2, is, I'll give you a wink. That's all you're getting is a wink. Okay, so we're reviewing this and then this figure. Yeah, I think I'll do a part 2. Because I'm tired and I decided to do a part 2. Because I have nothing else to really do right now. So I decided to do a YouTube video. And especially since I got a new intro, which you guys should have just saw, and an outro that you'll see later. So let's start off with the main figure. Let me get a sword. Where'd the sword go? Where are you, shorty? Dang it, this happens like way more pretty. Where'd it go? I'll get one from over here, I guess. I guess 2. Right there. We're gonna start off small with the minifigure. Okay. So this is the J minifigure. You can see right there. It's pretty cool. And yes, I like his arm. His mask was pretty cool. I need Lloyd to finish my set, which I don't have anymore since I traded Spooky a head. Wait, no, he gave me a head for Lloyd. I don't think that was a fair deal. I think he tricked me. Well, it's technically not his yet anyway. It depends if he's wait, there's something on my iPad. Okay. So, yeah. So that's really it. He has a little ninja symbol. He has another face right here. And, unfortunately, I do not have his hairpiece. But let's check out the plane. And I didn't really review the whole thing. I just reviewed like the cooler parts that I noticed. So I like this thing right back here. It's like I have a little booster too right here. The wings. This is like when it's regular sync, and then attack. Oh yeah. And then I said pew pew. It's because of the guns right here. And then there's a little hatch. You guys can see. Little controller. That was the thing that popped off. And the blue. Oh wait, look at this. This is cool. Let me see if I can find a 2x2. There's no 2x2. There's a 2x2 in here somewhere. But that was groovy. So that's really it. Oh yeah, by the way, here's I didn't have to put stickers on. It was 3D printed or just printed. I don't know. But that's it for this video. Bye guys.